What's up guys, in this video I am gonna show you exactly how you can install this Jarvis in your computer step-by-step guide. Well, I'm recording this video because too many people ask me how I can install this Jarvis in my computer, and you are not showing us how we can install this Jarvis in our computer properly. So in this video I'm just gonna show you how you can install Jarvis from scratch. So first of all, you have to make sure that you installed Python in your computer. You have to install Python in your computer first of all. So this is just easy step. You can just write Python install and go to this website and install in this section, or you can install a specific version in this section as well. If you have any troubles, there is thousands of videos in the YouTube that explain you how you can install Python in your computer. So I already installed this Python in my computer, so I'm just going to show you how you can install Jarvis from scratch, because you don't have any problems with installing this Python versions. So first of all, go to this link I will give you in the description. I gave you this too many times, so just click this button and click download zip. So open File Explorer and then go to this folder that you installed, click right and then extract all. Click this button and then extract all again. So you have successfully extracted all files in this section. Go to VS Code and then open folder and then open your extracted folder and then open this folder. So you will see that you just open this folder in the VS Code, but before running your Jarvis immediately in this main.py file, you have to install required libraries in your computer. So to do that, you have to run setup.py file first. But before that, you have to extract all these files from under this folder. So click this y.py and select everything just by pressing shift button, hold, press shift button, and then extract all files, all folders in this VS Code. So delete this and go to setup.py and click F5 to run directly, and then you will install every required libraries in your computer. So now you can just run main.py file. So I'm just showing you first step because there's actually two options for you to run this Jarvis. This is first one. So you can just run this main.py file and our Jarvis is ready. So now you should paste your Gemini API key. To do that, go to Google AI Studio, copy this API key. Let me quickly how you can do this. Just click these buttons and then copy your API key and then go to your Jarvis program and paste your API key and select your operating system. Mine is Windows, and click initialize button. So after that, after pasting your Gemini API key, now it's ready to run. What's up, Jarvis?
Hello, how can I help you today?
Jarvis, open Microsoft Edge. So the first option is this, but the second option is installing this directly on the command prompt by using Git. So scroll down and you will see this quick start section. Just copy this and then open command prompt and just paste this and then just run your Jarvis. So but probably you are gonna see this error in this command prompt. That's the reason, because you are using two versions of Python. If you click this search bar, you will see that, and then click this show and run commands button and then select interpreter and then you will see that there is two versions of Python. When you install any library in the command prompt directly, you are just installing this library in this global Python version. But we are using this Jarvis model with this Python 3.11 version. So to install, to run, first of all, you have to just, there's two options actually. So you can install this required library in this global section and run this Jarvis from global section, but you don't need to do that. Just all you have to do is just, and then ready to go. So what's up, Jarvis?
What can I do for you today?
So you can install this folder, or you can just install Jarvis just by using this ready quick start section as well. But to run this function, to run this option, you have to install this Git in your computer. So this is too easy to install. Just install this and run, then click run. Okay, and then just install this Git and run your Jarvis program. I assume that you have two problems. First one is not found, and second one is couldn't resolved. So to find this couldn't resolved problem, you just have to select your Python interpreter correctly, and you have to install everything in this Python. Let me quickly show you. If you wanna install anything in this recommended in this 3.11 version in your computer, all you have to do is just write py and write the version that you want to install minus 3.11, and then just write this and write pip install, and then write your required library. First, let's say sound device, and then just you are just installing. If I would write, for example, this, then I should do, then you're gonna see that I am gonna install this in this 3.10 version of Python in my computer, but I don't need to do that because I am using 3.11. So your problem is this, so make sure that you followed every steps. By the way, there's another thing that I want to show you is new Jarvis model. Actually, this is working local. This is working completely local. We are using local large language model. So I added this local large language model in this new Jarvis model, and I added two new features. First one is Home Assistant, and second one is Focus Timer. And I created a structure where we can just easily add anything.
What can I help you with at this time?
Jarvis, can you just activate Focus Timer? I just want to work.
Focus 25 minutes. The focus timer is set for 25 minutes. You can return to it when the time ends, sir.
As you can see, and if you want to get early access to this new local Jarvis with new features, you can just join our web community and you can get early access. I'm gonna make it open source in the future. So like I said, if you have any problems, if you have any, I don't know, questions, you can just ask. But I hope this video helped you about this, I don't know, installing your Jarvis step by step. So if you have any problems, just tell me in the comment section and I want to help you as much as I can. So Jarvis, close yourself. So see you in the next videos.
Goodbye, sir.
See you in the next videos. Take care.